read something about the sponsor while you two are doing your thing and having your hand shaken and doing the photo. So you go ahead and I'll read something out about the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Now, this is the global body for professional accountants. Oh, have we done the photos already? Goodness gracious, this is not going to give me enough time, is it? Can't you do 5? No, seriously. And so what they do is that they offer business relevant qualifications, and they aim to have them as first choice qualifications. And I like this, to people of application, ability and ambition who seek a career in accountancy, finance and management. It has 154,000 members and 432,000 students in 170 countries, so, global organisation, clearly. And so they want to congratulate Cameron, who has done the right thing. He's shown the way. He's got slightly stuck at the back for the moment. Cameron and all the recipients of the other prizes tonight. So, thank you. Now, the next prize. Yes. It'll take us way longer if we do that every time, but that's all right. The CCH Prize in the Law of Business Organisations, and that's being presented by Robert Eastman, who's a CCH member, and the recipient is Claire Healing. Claire. Now CCH say they're very proud to be sponsoring this prize again this year, and they like to support and encourage academic excellence in the field of tax and accounting. CCH is the premier publisher of taxation material, and students who go on to have successful careers continue to rely on them to keep them up to date with information. That's a very nice written little blurb. And they congratulate Claire Healing, who's the winner of this prize. The third prize is the Deloitte Wellington Prize for the paper 110309, which for all of us is the Advanced Financial Accounting, and that's going to be presented by Professor Fawzi Laswood, who's the head of the School of Accounting, on behalf of Deloitte. And the recipient here is Stephanie Boyd. Now, Deloitte provides audit, tax, consulting and financial advisory services to both public and private clients across a huge number of industries. And they have a globally connected network of member firms in more than 150 countries. So they bring what they say is world-class capabilities and service to clients. They have in the region of 200,000 professionals all committed to becoming the standard of excellence. So a huge company, and we're very grateful for their support. Now, both of the next two prizes are from the New Zealand Institute of Chartered Accountants. So I would welcome Gavin Miller from NZICA to the stage, and I'd ask him to stay here for the next one as well. Don't let me call your name again. And the first recipient is for the first year accountancy prize is to Luke McDermott. And I'm entirely unclear as to whether this is exactly the same prize and it is a shared one, but I thought I'd give you your own moment because there's a shared awardee here, Christopher Coventry. And NZICA say that they're very proud to support the School of Accountancy and those students, and wish to acknowledge all of the students' achievements this year, particularly the recipients. But I thought this was interesting. For those students that go on with their education, they will be comforted to know that there are 33,000 members based here in New Zealand and overseas. So, these numbers are stacking up, and you can see that as you get qualified, you join these large networks of professionals who will be able to help you with your future career development. chartered accountants receive the most prestigious business opportunities, such as the high regard for the CA designation globally. So Gavin is remaining with us to present the next prize, which is the prize for the third year accountancy, and that is going to Jennifer Moe. Accounting Information Systems, and that's going to be presented by Professor Paul Dunmore from the School of Accountancy on behalf of the Farron family, and the recipient is Amy Allen. Now, this prize was established in 2005 in memory of Penny Farron, who was involved in accountancy teaching and research at Massey for many years, 1975 to 1993. And I don't think I was ever a student of Penny's, but her reputation spread far beyond her own classroom, and her teaching accounting was absolutely her passion. And she took great pride in her work and from the knowledge that she contributed to so many students during her career. And the Farron family established the prize and congratulates Amy on her achievement and wishes her all the best. Now, the next prize is the Thomson Reuters Prize in Taxation or Distance, and it's going to be presented by Jeremy Hubbard from the School of Accountancy on behalf of Thomson Reuters. And I believe we have two recipients, one of whom is here and the other who can't be with us tonight. So Bruce Middleton. But I think it's nice to acknowledge that the in absentia recipient is Sonia Power. And just briefly about Thomson Reuters, what they do is they combine industry expertise with innovative technology to develop critical information to decision makers in the New Zealand legal, tax and accounting markets. Now, we're moving